M-Pesa, M for mobile, PESA is Swahili for money, is a mobile phone-based money transfer service, payments and microfinancing service, launched in 2007 by Vodafone and Safaricom, the largest mobile network operator in Kenya. M-Pesa's popularity in Kenya can be attributed to several factors. 1. Affordability. Traditional banks are often seen as expensive due to fees for storage and withdrawal services. In contrast, M-Pesa offers a cost-effective solution. Users can conveniently visit M-Pesa kiosks and agents without the need for major town access. 1. 2. Convenience. M-Pesa's widespread availability allows family members to send money home easily. Its accessibility across various locations, including rural areas, makes it a preferred choice for financial transactions. 3. Speed and safety. M-Pesa provides faster and safer cash transfers. Its lower transaction costs encourage frequent use, benefiting both urban and rural users. 4. Mobile phone penetration. Kenya has a high mobile phone penetration rate, and M-Pesa leverages this by allowing users to transact via their phones. This convenience drives adoption and usage. 5. Regulatory support. The relaxed approach of Kenyan regulators toward banking and telecoms facilitated M-Pesa's growth. This regulatory environment encouraged innovation and adoption of mobile money services. Overall, M-Pesa's combination of affordability, convenience, safety, and regulatory support has made it a popular and transformative financial solution in Kenya.